As students and staff head back to the classroom, COVID-19 protocols are on the minds of some parents.
And 22 News reporter Kaylee Collins is live in the studio with information on current COVID-19 back-to-school guidelines.
Though COVID-19 remains unpredictable in its spread and mutation, much of the same practices used in schools last year to mitigate outbreaks will return once again this year. Reports of an uptick in local COVID-19 cases have accompanied the start of the school year. As EG5 is the predominantly circulating strain and new variants emerge, continued COVID prevention efforts are encouraged.
Is washing their hands, masking, and social distancing.
When it comes to schools, several prevention practices are encouraged, though not currently required. Last year marked the first school year that COVID-19 protocols were rolled back as treatments and vaccines became more readily available. 22 News reached out to a spokesperson for the Massachusetts Department of Public Health who said the guidelines given to schools from the DPH back in May still stand. This means that previously issued isolation and quarantine guidance for COVID-19 will not change. Additional guidelines include face masks no longer routinely required in school health offices. School health staff should continue to use appropriate PPE for management of known or suspected cases of COVID-19. And continued vaccination is encouraged. In neighboring Connecticut, guidelines will be determined based off each school's particular COVID-19 situation. And 22 News did reach out to several area school districts for specifics on this year's COVID-19 practices, but did not hear back by news time. Working for you live, Kaylee Collins, 22 News.